Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, let you know that I finished all the mulch, so you can see that all the whole pile is gone from here. Still got a couple bags of leaves left, but these are going to probably just get spread out between the raspberries. And I just wanted to show you the pile. I think it came out to be a pretty good amount, and bear in mind that I had a pile that was already mostly used up for the few trees that I've shown you already. So there's the pile. It's pretty good size, and definitely well worth the money for the amount I paid for the rental of the machine. We had a 4-day weekend here in Hungary, and basically I got away with just getting charged 1 day for the rental, and then the rest are holiday days, so I didn't get charged, which is great. I'm going to be returning it tomorrow morning. So anyway, yeah, that's it. Here's a shot of the garden. You have to mow the lawn again. Seems like, I don't know, just about every week I gotta mow it. But everything's nice and green now, looking pretty good. The apple trees are doing great. Everything that I've planted out seems to be doing great. The apricot tree is doing really good here. Flowers are nice under the little tree area here. The medlar tree is in like full, green mode, and the mulberry tree too. Probably going to be starting to see fruit on that pretty soon. And the raspberries, like I showed you last time, are just going nuts. I got to plant out one of these apple trees in the spot that I showed you before. And one other bit of good news is the grape that my brother gave me is definitely alive. So this one is anyway. The other one I think looks like it's completely dead. You can actually see some mold right around the base, so I think that one's a goner. But I haven't given up on it yet. I'm gonna keep watering it, because this guy looked pretty dead too, and I was pretty confident that they had just both not come through. But this one's looking good now. It's growing nicely. So anywho, thought you guys would enjoy that, and see you in the next one. Have a great week, everybody.